20, right? We have the relative strength index and the commodity channel index both set to default. We wait until the purchase deadline reaches 5 seconds to make a trade. Our candle times is set to 5 seconds, and we wait. We'll trade for 20 minutes from now. So 20 minutes from now would be 7 o'clock. Technically 7 o'clock, not all the way, right? Here we sell for 2. Even though both indicators oversold, we still sell for 2 because both indicators, CCI and RSI, are under their respective halfway points, 0 and 50. And you see that even though it oversold, it kept going down, right? Which is the beauty of this method. Right, the beauty also of this method is this right here. When you lose, you also chase in order to make back what you lost, right? So firstly, we have this on screen, this yellow thing on screen. 249, 19, 41, 87, 184, 391. This makes way for 4 losses in a row. And if you trade from when the market is moving like now, 0.64%, which is currently 644 in the day, right, you would never lose. You trade only when the market is moving, and you don't trade OTC, right? So our first trade for the day one, we wait until the last 5 seconds to sell again because both indicators are under their respective halfway points. We go up to 4 and we wait, right? I don't know if that showed up on screen. Did it? Yes. So the second trade for the day was a W, right? And we go back down to 2 and we wait for the last 5 seconds to make a trade, right? It's infinite trading method, part 20. You can watch all the other parts and see where that gets you, right? It will just teach you more about this trading method and how it works, even if we do not cover everything in this video, which I think I did cover everything in the first 10 seconds of this video, which is simply how the trading method works. So you see that we started off with 2 wins in a row and we wait, right? So if you do this method every day from, let's say, 6 to 6 or 6 to 12, right? You do not trade OTC. It works on OTC, yes, but OTC will lose. OTC is not nice. Trust and believe, OTC is not nice. I've been trading for a couple years now. OTC ain't it, right? So now we go back down to 2 and we wait, right? And our first 3 trades for the day was W's. First 3 trades was win. We stopped trading at 7:04 technically, but we'll just stop at 7 a.m. to kill time, right? Infinite trading method. Infinite money, infinite vibes, infinite everything, right? Give me a second. So we sell here for 5 and we wait. I will be right back. Slim, you gonna handle the tea, eh? Huh? Yeah, you bought. Yeah. Oh my god, it's winning. That's a dub right there, bro. That's a W, right? Bro, wait, this morning is very good. This morning is beautiful. This morning is amazing, right? Alright, so we wait 876, last 5 seconds, and we sell because both indicators are under their respective halfway points. Okay, so this trade is a loss, right? Which is a good thing because since two lost, we do four, and you see that four gives you back your $2 plus $1.61, right? This is at 90% profits, and this is very good, really good, extremely good, right? So DND was on. How is this coming through? Is DND off? Where's DND? So we missed that trade because we're looking for DND. Oh, bruh, chill. We need DND. It's okay though. It doesn't matter. What you gonna do with that? Right. Go settings. You have to watch me go through settings. Hey there. Oh, DND is set not from this time. DND should be from 1 a.m. to 8 p.m. Right? Alright, DND is on, I believe. Alright, so do not disturb is on. Oh my god. We can still make this trade here. I mean, shit. If we had sold here, we would have went up, so we would have lost anyways. So wait until the last 5 seconds and we make a trade, right? You just had me struggle to put DND on. Don't laugh at that. That's not funny. It is kinda. Right, so we sell here for 4 because both indicators went under their halfway points, and we wait. So we go up to 9. Yes, I'm eating. I'm eating a banana. A banana. So we wait until the last 5 seconds to trade. We sell here for 2, and we wait, right? Even if this trade loses, we do 4. And if 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19, 41, 87, 184, and 391. To follow this trading method, you need this. This is what I'm following, right? This is very important, okay? So screenshot it while it was on screen, pause the video, write it down, share, like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? We buy here for 4 and we wait. If 4 loses, we do 9. Right, we wait. Patience is a patience game, and I'm not editing this video, not cutting it. Understand that trading is a patience game. Understand that you can do other things while I was doing D&D. I'm texting, you feel me? So yeah, this needs to update app. We're gonna do that after. So here I am hesitant. We buy here for 9 because I was waiting to see if it was right on that halfway line, but apparently it's going down. That's funny. Anyways, we do 19 and we wait, right? Ooh, nice. It was up for sure. Nice. So you go back down to 2 and we wait, right? So we buy here for 2 and we wait, even though it seems, ooh, we go do your thing, bro. I'm not holding you back. Do your thing. Wow, it's doing its thing for real. Jeez. Look at this. Look at this thing's behavior this morning, bro. It went up and then it was like, nah, nigga, psych. Back down. Mm. We're selling here for 9. So 9 lost, which is good. I don't. Nobody likes losses, but I love them, right? It's the beauty of this trading method, right? So we sell here for 19, even though it seems as if it's going to reject here because it's the spoke too soon. It's funny. We do 41. I thought. I hope so. It's okay for this one to lose also. Alright, we do 41 next and we wait. Patience. It's a patience game. It's trading is a very patient game. Right? So 41 would give you, this is 19 and 1 is 20, that's 30, would give you $7.37, 37.37. This is a beautiful number. It's an amazing number, and this is the one that would win. We buy here for 41 and watch it go up. It is going to go up, even if it doesn't. 87. Let's go, let's go. Do the thing, man. Do the thing. Do it. It didn't do it. Oh, that sucks. Nah, it doesn't really. 41 and 9, that's 50, 60, 71. We have profits here. It's 79.30. It's more than profits. It's more than enough, sir. What is more than enough, sir? Infinity is more than enough, sir. It's 5 we sell here for 87 and we wait. 184 is next in line and would be able to see this energy gravitate towards you, my boy. So beautiful this traded method is. So you see that 41 and this is 50, 60, 71. We made $8.31 of this rally, right? We made back our $71 plus $8.31, right? This is going to be our last trade for the day, which we stop at 658. That's good. We could trade more, but for the video we're stopping. This is Infinite Trading Method part 20. Like, comment, subscribe. GG.